Hey guys, today I'll show you how to generate 3D models from 2D images using Triposplat. It only takes 2 clicks and you don't need to install anything as it runs on Google Colab. Let's get started. First, go to Google Colab and import the notebook. You can download the notebook from my Patreon alongside a bunch of other cool ones. Then ensure you are connected to a GPU runtime such as A100 or better. Now run the first cell to set up the project. This should take less than 2 minutes. Now upload an image and set the image path as shown. I'll be using the image of a crown, but you can use any image you want. Then you can change the number of steps, CFG scale, and seed accordingly. I'll use the default values. Finally, run the cell to generate the 3D model. This should take less than 1 minute to generate depending on the runtime GPU. Finally, the model will appear and you can preview it and rotate in any direction. As you can see, Triposplat is very good for generating 3D models from images. If you are happy with the result, you can download the GLB model by running the next cell. That's it for the video. Download the notebook from my Patreon and have fun with this awesome tool. Thanks for watching.